today, the 23rd of January 2024. What we are looking at is a screen picture which is showing two signals. One signal here, the steady pulse, are the pulses generated or derived from the sine wave passing through 0 degrees, going upwards, and this is being detected, and the signal is generating this pulse. This pulse is also visible here. Is also visible here. And I have already explained in the course of the many films and photos that this CRT is relying on two sine waves, one sine wave and one cosine. And these are being fed onto a circular joke and is painting a first order Lissajous. The pulse here is actually the order pulse simulated by the Nachtfee ground station. And this pulse is the order. That means it can be differed in all different positions. That is only at will, and these orders are being printed on the illuminated order screen. And here is the Nachtfee order signal, which is visible here. These pulses, and there are two pulses. One pulse is the 500 Hertz from the Nachtfee system, and one is the 501 Hertz generated by the simulated EGON system. I have to do so because normally, not always, but generally, the EGON in the wartime situation provided 500 Hertz. But our time-based generator we are actually operating here in the simulated situation is based upon rubidium standards. And these rubidium standards provide 10 megahertz up to 10 minus 9, 10 minus 10. And in our case, these or this signal being handled first divided such that at the end of the interface we get two sine waves, one 500 Hertz and one 15 kilohertz. Because if I would provide, as we are looking here, I would provide 501 or 499 Hertz. This is hardly possible deriving this from directly by simple means from a a sine wave which is 10 megahertz. Therefore, I changed the frequency of the simulated EGON signal now to 400 or 501 or 499 hertz. And again, viewing what is provided on the test pin of the IFF transponder. Here, these poles are the time-based reference signals derived from the time-base, the simulated time-base of the aircraft display, and this is what is being received by the EGON or the IFF transponder, which is based on two signals. One is the EGON. I can remove, for instance, here. Now it is without, and now it is with. It is not always easy to distinguish, but please look what is actually happening. Here, the moving pulse is the Nachtfee, is the EGON system, and you see here I switched off the pulse generator, and here you see it is showing you the EGON system. One of the purposes of this demonstration is that, albeit that this rotating signal differs only a single hertz, is not hampering the communication, because this signal can be recognized under nearly all circumstances. And that is important to know, because this signal in the system itself is acting coherent, and this rotating signal, which is actually in wartime days were always transmitted, because it is providing the guiding beam of the ground station, which is correcting the aircraft with information more to the right, more to the left, increase your speed or slow down your speed, and all other tactical commands are being sent from the ground station, like this one, or here is the pulse set on increase your speed, 5 degrees to the right, switch on to IFF channel recognition 2. This is set to what is the this is a command. I don't know what the meaning is. There's a red circle with a red dot in it. This is 10 degrees to the right. And what FAV, I don't know what it is, fast, perhaps. And here is Pauke. Pauke in the night fighters means attack, but the British gave, as an explanation, open the bomb door. The aircraft was not meant for dropping bombs, only flares. And so this is an indication. KUS might mean carousel. That means when the aircraft is reaching the target long before the bomber stream is arriving, it should not drop its flares because these are extinguished before the actual aircraft arrives, as you drive. K and H, I don't know what the meaning is, maybe komm nach Hause. 10 degrees to the left. This might be end of operation. This is set on IFF recognition 1, 5 degrees, and slow down your speed. So, okay, I hope you like it. And this is the explanation for today.